Before we begin, I want to check out something. If your name is Michael, please hit the like button. Thank you. That concludes our mic check. Now everybody else can hit the like button if you want. Welcome to the Dad Bod. If you're new here, this channel is made for you. With online shopping increasing by leaps and bounds over the last few years, it really makes it harder to know that what you're paying for is actually what you're going to get. And that's where I come in. I'm buying men's clothing and accessories from different online companies to show you what to expect should you decide to order from them. Today is a subscription box called Wrist Mafia. If you've been watching for any length of time, you've probably noticed that I'm not a huge fan of Wrist Mafia. Since I signed up in November of 2020, I've had lots of issues with the customer service, and then the watches that I've received have been mostly disappointing. But that could all change. It's a new month, new watch. So, let's get this open and let's see what they have for us. They did send it out a bit late again this month. They say by the 15th, I think, but this didn't ship out until the 25th. So about a week and a half late. It's an FF Timecraft watch. At least I think that's what this logo says. It's a pretty nice looking logo. Alright, the watch is okay looking. It's unique with an octagon shape, and I don't have many bronze watches. It might be gold, looks more bronze. I'm not a huge fan of the silicone bands. Alright, I'll be right back. Let's see what I can find out about this watch. Do you know what the fastest way to get your kids' attention is? Sit down and look comfortable. Alright, I found the website. It's FF Timecraft, and this looks like their Eclipse watch, and it says Eclipse right on it. So, but you know, this one has a bronze or a gold face, and they don't have that on their website. I think it's just an error on their website. They have a silver one listed, a black one listed, and then they have another silver one, except for the picture of the second silver one looks just like this, gold or bronze one. The watch case is 42 millimeters with a bronze front. It's got the hour, minute, and second hands, as well as the hour markers. You know, all of them are a shiny bronze with a black backing. It doesn't have the day or the date on it. It says the name Eclipse, and then it also says 3-bar, which means water resistant, you know, which is for splashing and rain, but you probably shouldn't put this in water. The strap is 25 millimeters and it's made out of silicone, which is typically good for swimming. So it has a stainless steel case back that is water resistant. I'm just not a fan of silicone because it pulls on my arm hairs and then it collects sweat. So what about you all? What kind of watch straps do you prefer? You got canvas, silicone, metal, or something else? Go ahead and let me know in the comments. Alright, let's get this watch open and look inside. I see this one has an SL68 Japanese quartz movement piece. I'm pretty sure I've seen that one in at least one of the previous Wrist Mafia watches before. They run for about $5 each, so it's better than the $1 ones that Wrist Mafia has had in some of their watches. I'll know in a few days how well it keeps time. It's funny, I got my Wrist Mafia watch last month, the day that I took my fiance to a Motley Crue cover band show at a little small venue the next town over. It was the first time taking her to any kind of a concert. And I'm opening up this watch on the same day that we're going back there for a tantric concert. So I'm going to wear this watch a few times, and then I'll be able to compare it side by side with all of the other watch subscriptions that I'm signed up for. That way you all can decide which one you think is best. I get a lot of people asking me which watch subscription is the best. I'll give you the same answer I give them. Check out this video right here of all of last month's watches side by side with the prices, and you'll know. And I'll see you there.